Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Flavours Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're going to be making a fusion pasta dish. I'm going to be making chili crisp spaghetti. Now if you've never had Lagan Mai's chili crisp, then you're missing out. It's probably my favorite condiment that I use in all of my Asian cooking. It's bits of chili, we got some oil in there, crispy soybeans, a bit of shallot, a little bit of garlic, I think, and a bunch of other mystery ingredients that are super good. Also, it has a very healthy dose of MSG, which is why it tastes so good. It is a mix of Italian and Chinese cuisine. I was actually inspired by Marion's Kitchen. She does her own version of a chili crisp pasta, but I decided to kind of dig further and look into its Chongqing roots. And they actually do something similar to this with the addition of yellow mung beans on top, maybe some blanch bok choy. Sometimes you might even have some crispy soybeans or fried peanuts on top as well. So I kind of took the two recipes and made it my own. The sauce is definitely on the very savory side, so I would recommend making this for two. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!